Bitcoin price prediction as BTC bounces from $50,000 level. Is another sell-off coming? Arslan Butt last updated February 18, 2024 at 13:44 GMT +24 min read. In the wake of Bitcoin's price dip to the $50,000 mark, the cryptocurrency community is keenly observing its recovery to $51,500, albeit with a near 1% decrease. Amidst this scenario, investors and analysts are scrutinizing the digital currency's resilience and the broader implications of recent industry developments. These include notable incidents like the misappropriation of bitcoins by an Australian police officer and record inflows into Bitcoin ETFs, alongside the mining difficulty reaching new heights ahead of the Bitcoin halving event. These factors collectively shape the landscape for Bitcoin's future pricing and market dynamics. Australian police officer accused of misappropriating 81 Bitcoins in raid. An incident involving a federal police officer in Australia has raised concerns over the security and trustworthiness of Bitcoin transactions. The National Anti-Corruption Commission has charged the officer with the unauthorized removal of 81.62 Bitcoin, valued initially at $309,000, from a Trezor hardware wallet during a drug raid. The value of these Bitcoins has since soared to $4.2 million. Utilizing cryptocurrency tracking software, authorities linked the officer to the theft, highlighting the vulnerabilities within the digital currency ecosystem. This case sheds light on the broader implications for Bitcoin's market dynamics as it underscores the critical importance of stringent security measures in the cryptocurrency industry. While the incident does not directly affect Bitcoin's intrinsic value, it certainly casts a shadow on investor confidence and could influence governmental oversight. Record $2.2 billion inflows into Bitcoin ETFs highlight growing investor confidence. Bitcoin ETFs witnessed net inflows surpassing $2.2 billion between February 12 and February 16. This surge positioned Bitcoin ETFs as the top recipients of investment compared to all other U.S.-based ETFs for the week. Leading the charge was BlackRock's albeit, capturing $1.6 billion in inflows, accounting for half of the company's total net ETF flows. Following suit, Fidelity's FBTC attracted $648.5 million, with ARK and drawing $405 million and $232.1 million, respectively. Despite the positive trend, Grayscale's GBTC faced $624 million in withdrawals, impacting the overall performance of Bitcoin ETFs. However, the significant inflows into Bitcoin ETFs are a testament to the growing investor confidence in cryptocurrency as a viable asset class. The SEC's nod of approval for these ETFs has been instrumental in the recent 91% price surge of Bitcoin, underscoring the regulatory body's influence on market dynamics. Moreover, the increasing institutional interest in crypto asset custody, highlighted by requests for amendments to the SEC, signals a broader acceptance and adoption of cryptocurrencies. Large financial institutions are now more than ever keen on including cryptocurrencies in their asset management strategies. Bitcoin mining difficulty hits record 80 trillion ahead of halving, impact on market expected. In an unprecedented move, the mining difficulty of Bitcoin soared past the 80 trillion mark on February 15, setting the stage for an anticipated 6% increase. This surge led the difficulty level to reach 81.73 trillion by January 2023, alongside a historic hash rate of 562.81 A/s. Experts predict the difficulty could soon hit the 100 trillion threshold, demanding more computational power from miners. This development precedes the much-anticipated Bitcoin halving event in April, which will reduce mining rewards from 6.25 BTC to 3.125 BTC. Analysts suggest that post-halving, up to 20% of the current hash rate might become non-viable, potentially impacting the network stability. The implications of the upcoming halving on mining profitability and the stability of the hash rate are expected to influence Bitcoin's market value. As the difficulty rises, indicating increased competition and higher resource requirements, some miners might be compelled to sell their Bitcoin holdings to cover operational costs. This could lead to increased selling pressure on Bitcoin, affecting its price dynamics in the short term. Bitcoin price prediction. In today's market, Bitcoin BTC marginally declined by 0.5% to $51,582, indicating a relatively stable trading environment. The asset's pivot point at $51,211 serves as a critical juncture, suggesting potential for movement in either direction. Immediate resistance levels are observed at $52,740, $53,943, and $55,214, while support levels solidify at $50,163, $49,210, and $47,781. Technical indicators offer a nuanced view. The relative strength index RSI at 54 hints at a balanced market sentiment. Meanwhile, the MACD value at 710 with a signal line at 4,618 does not provide a clear directional trend, underscoring the market's current indecisiveness. The 50-day exponential moving average EMA at $50,040 reinforces a bullish outlook for Bitcoin as long as prices remain above this level. This technical landscape suggests that BTC is positioned for potential upside if it can sustain above the 50 EMA with an eye towards testing immediate resistance levels. Given these dynamics, investors and traders should closely monitor these key technical levels and indicators for signs of Bitcoin's next directional move. Bitcoin Minetrix nears fundraising goal, urges quick action before price hike. Bitcoin Minetrix BTC MTX, an innovative Ethereum-based stake-to-mine platform, is on the cusp of reaching its fundraising target, with current contributions standing at $11,093,628.83, inching closer to the $11,850,888 goal. This surge in investor interest stems from the platform's unique proposition. Here's why Bitcoin Minetrix is garnering significant investor attention. Users can earn Bitcoin through staking BTC MTX tokens, gaining mining credits for Bitcoin hashing power. The model presents a dual income stream, combining Bitcoin mining with BTC MTX staking rewards. Aimed at those seeking profitable mining ventures, Bitcoin Minetrix offers an accessible and intuitive platform. With BTC MTX tokens priced at 135 cents, an impending price increase is anticipated. Interested investors are encouraged to act swiftly, as less than 24 hours remain to secure tokens at the current rate via the Bitcoin Minetrix website. As Bitcoin Minetrix approaches its launch, the platform is set to revolutionize the mining and staking ecosystem. Don't miss this opportunity to join the Bitcoin Minetrix initiative before the price jump. Time is ticking. Secure your stake in Bitcoin Minetrix today. Follow us on Google News. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital.